Hi, I'm Emma from Holton Lee Libraries. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of how you can make a friendship bracelet. This is a really nice, stress-free, relaxing activity that you can do at home with stuff that you've probably got around the house. And it's a really nice activity for children as well. And it keeps their hands busy if they're watching telly or listening to an audiobook or something like that. So, in order to make the friendship bracelet, you need a cardboard circle. You can just draw around a cup or something like that, and you need to put 8 little snips all the way around, a bit like a clock. You need to poke a hole through the middle of the card using a sharp pencil. Obviously be careful while you're doing that. And then you need to use 7 pieces of thread, so you can use different colours, the same colour, a few of the same, and so on. You knot the end of your yarns together, so you've got one big knot on the end, and you poke it through the centre hole of your cardboard circle, and then thread each of the 7 strands through one of the little holes, leaving one free at the bottom, and that is going to be your feeder. So you're going to hold your card, you need to count back 3 from the gap, so 1, 2, 3. You're going to unloosen that and just pop it through to the one that didn't have a thread, and so the one that you took it from is now going to be the one at the bottom. Again, we're going to count back 3, 1, 2, 3, take that off and pop it down. Oops. Always make sure that that's on the bottom. You basically just keep going round, weaving your threads together. So after a little while of all of that weaving around, you are going to end up with a nice friendship bracelet, and you just keep going until you get it to the size that you want it to be. Once it's the size that you want it to be and it will go around the wrist that it's intended for, you unravel, pull through the hole, and then just tie a knot on the loose end, snip off the excess, and your friendship bracelet is ready to give to your friend or to keep for yourself. So I hope you'll give this craft a try and that you'll enjoy making a friendship bracelet.